Alright, we're going to use the distance formula to find the exact length between the 2 points given. Remember, the distance formula can be written in more than one way. Basically, you are taking the difference of the x-coordinates and squaring it, the difference of the y-coordinates, squaring it, adding them up together, and then taking the square root. So you could think of it as x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. It really doesn't matter which way you write it, because you're going to square that number anyway. All right, so here's how we set it up. Now, if you want, you can call one of these x1, y1, and the other one x2, y2, or you could just take the difference of the x's. So one of the x-coordinates is -3, the other one's -1. I always like to put the bigger number first, it'll be positive. So if I use the bigger number, -1 minus -3. You could have put -3 minus -1. That'll work as well. All right, and for the y-coordinates, I have 1 and -7. I'm going to put the bigger number first, 1 and -7. If you did -7 minus 1, and you simplified this, you would get the same answer. So inside the parentheses, I have -1 plus 3, which is 2 squared. And then we're going to add to that, 1 minus -7 is 8 squared. So we have the square root of 4 plus 64, which is the square root of 68. All right, now that's not simplified, but let's use the calculator to find the square root of 68. So we're going to find my rounded answer first. And if I round it, it's 8.2. So that's going to be 8.2. That's going to be my rounded answer, right? But is there a perfect square in 68? I think that is 4 times 17. Square root of 68. So square root of 68 is also the square root of 4 times 17. And this is a perfect square. So we would get 2 square root of 17. So this is the exact answer. And this is the approximate or rounded answer.